You will go and flex and flex your money. Easy money, you have money. Flex your money. Don't ever mind this man.
Nademo. Otaka hane shabamba. I don't call anybody name. Now advice I give you. I said one get illegal. I don't tell you make you no help your brothers.
Listen, I have made so much money. Last year, I bought my money 60.
Hey!
To Canada.
Hey! This is Pakistan!
Hey!
Ooh.
Hey! Hey!
Igbo!
To Pakistan.
To Pakistan!
To Pakistan. This is a nice service. When I go to the To Pakistan. Go down. Listen now. To summarize it, do you know the kind of people I roll with? The likes of Joe Zaza, Kubana Chief Priest, Obi Kubana. Yes, so broken. Oh, then the Monahana. Then I can go again. Oh, Diego Gabi, where Obi City. One DC, Ego Pakistan,
DC! Ego Pakistan ada wabo!
One DC Onyego.
DC Onyego!
Bonum Ake Uchionwa.
Ake Uchionwa!
Therefor, Meduga Texas. Modeling.
DC money!
Achom Kijamebe modeling. You will make so much money in modeling. What I got there? I'm like you all get just South Africa.
If you go to South Africa,
There's more people.
DC more one.
Yeah, no Nigeria now as well. Well, what do you do there? Yes. Sorry.
You got to be more. You got to be more.
Nigga get here. Your face is sure. Your shoe shine here. Even your teeth here.
Your teeth white,
I belong to pink. Anybody where their life reach this time of the day, that person could see go here, God to the altar of God. Say, Father, I thank you for sustaining my life. Or gather your family, kill fowl, moon and stay together, chop together, and thank God together. I've been what happened. It is not easy. This year is the worst year I've ever witnessed. So many people died. But look at us. We are alive. Welcome to school. I hear say you don't come back. Any corner where you enter, I am matter. I need a millions. You need 3 billions. Hey, go! You value my brother. You value. They don't find you like
DC money.
I got my own body.
DC money.
I only name you by I want to buy her to because someone people know Brambo. He suffered and hustled and make money. Not be to give him name. You people will also hustle and get your own name because as is there for people, isn't it?
Chief, what are you I can
Michigan the flavor.
watch a ripon abroad.
You go can have the here now. Don't you know this man? Troublesome human being. For you broken banner. Give me a they had no advice. Or you see you don't know what. Like you was raggy. Okay, you was raggy.
If another person not tell you this thing, why they tell you? I go tell you. Before you come out this village, everywhere they okay. One day and one day you go. Brothers and brothers will be together. Friends and friends will stay together. If you get money, you go tell your brother, say, see how much I make. All of them go they happy. When I see there that time where you come out, nobody has see there now. You feel tell people how much will you get to account that time. But now it's no longer the same. You feel tell somebody say, I want to buy motor, I want to buy land. He go there happy for you. He go smile with you. He go even follow you, even he go carry his own money, support you to buy that motor. Then you see now, it's no longer the same. Everybody is supposed to hide himself under the umbrella of Izo. The world don't turn to something else. You see this Christmas, a lot of people are going to get victim. A lot of people are going to also scare through. I am telling you because I overheard you. You give 1 million, you carry 10 million, come back. The other million there for abroad. This one did that. You see these people where they here, they feel they're innocent too. They feel don't get bad mind too. But you cannot trust any of them. Somebody might be jealous of how much you are calling. How can a small dochuku of our mates make all this money? Go tomorrow, go plan. This time around, everybody goes speaking. No matter how big you have in your account, keep it as a secret. Because secret is life. This ones where they are, you don't know them. You don't sabi them.
I will not warn you again. Where Paul no kwa? This money. Don't ever mind this man. This man is a real chief na village.
Even not
Oh, the same thing I'm not doing. Only a real chief na village. You still have your point. This money, that's my work. You have made money. You have your money. As a young man, you eat your money, flex your money, bless your boys. No money. You will go and bless your money. TC money, you have money, flex your money. Don't ever mind this man.
I don't call anybody name. Now advice I they give you. I still can't get illegal. I don't tell you make you no help your brothers. But these days, the mind of young people are more evil than the young of all those elders. You see all those before we know they travel for Christmas. Our uncle go kill us. This time around, it's no longer our uncle. Your fellow youth. Then you go wine. When you your little brother, your security man, your bodyguard, all those people now fear them. More especially your gender, people of your age. On the got to your career. Tomorrow they go say to him, you too talk. Now advice I they give to young people. As I am advising him, all of you too should learn. Don't look at me as if I have said anything wrong. I'm only telling you people to be careful. Caution. Be careful. Be at alert. Watch your back. Money. Even money, go buy snuff. Go buy this. How will they guide you? Today, this world don't spoil. That is why people know they help you. I'm not telling you not to help your brothers. But may the peace of the Lord be with you. Happy December to all of you.
This money. I can manage right now.
And I'm going to get even low.
Calm down. I think Chief made a good point.
Abu point that we see my hand.
And I said, come on down, and I said, come on down. Or before we have before we are, even though we are before we be ever.
This money.
Daniel,